In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fields, columns, in Streak CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create the right kind of column for your workflow so your pipeline captures the data you actually care about and stays easy to scan, filter, and update. Start by opening the pipeline where you want to add a column. From Gmail, open your Streak sidebar and select the pipeline you're working on. If you're already in the pipeline view, the spreadsheet-like page where your boxes are arranged in rows and columns, you're in the right place. This grid is where your fields live, and each column represents a specific piece of information you want to track. To insert a new column, move to the header row and find any existing column title. Click the small drop-down icon next to that header, then choose Insert New Column. This is great if you want the new field to appear right next to a related column. Alternatively, you can click the plus button at the top right of the pipeline header to add a column more generally. As soon as you start creating it, give the column a clear, descriptive name so teammates immediately understand what belongs there. Next, choose the column type that best matches the data you'll store. Freeform is the most flexible option for plain text, numbers, or short descriptions. Use date when you need a calendar picker for deadlines, follow-ups, or milestones. Checkbox works well for simple yes or no values, like whether a contract is signed. If you want to standardize entries, choose drop-down, define the allowed options, and keep your data consistent across the team. When you need to select multiple labels, go with tag, which lets you apply more than one value from a list, like product interests or regions. For calculations, pick formula and use JavaScript-like expressions to compute values based on other columns. For example, days until a due date or a weighted amount. Assign to is perfect for ownership, making it clear who's responsible for each box. And if you want to connect people and companies directly to boxes, select contacts and organizations to link them for quick reference and communication. Once you've picked the type and named the field, your column appears in the pipeline, ready to use. Keep your labels short, your options unambiguous, and your data types consistent so you can filter and report with confidence. That's all there is to it. Adding fields in Streak CRM is quick, flexible, and tailored to how your team works.